Hi guys, welcome to Home Depot. It is Saturday morning, the first Saturday of the month, May, and she's all set and excited for the Home Depot workshop activity. Here we go. You come here and register your kid. You just need to write your name, your kid name, and that's all. After that, you collect your supplies and the apron.
Apron. Go. Thank you.
Did you hear the hammer sound? Oh yeah, there are a bunch of people with their kids here.
Whose name is that, Adam?
This is what we are going to make, a blooming picture frame. Let's start. There are a few manuals and the activity certificate which is given.
So what did we make? We made a square. Rhino, what is the shape? Square.
Okay, now we want the last piece here. I want to be very careful. It's going to be everywhere. The other way around, Raju. Other way.
Papa, help me.
Okay, first we need to color it, Adu. Work. Back up. A picture of Adi in between, okay?
Yay. Well done. Good job. I see you. I see you. What did you make? A photo frame?
Thank you for watching our channel. To see more, please subscribe.